Welcome fellas into this new account. I'm going to be showing you how to create an actual Microsoft account in a very easy way. The first thing you need to do to understand this is to navigate to the portal. So if you open your browser and type the word here account.microsoft.com, basically this will be leading you directly here into the sign in of your Microsoft account. So what you can do is to go into the option that says sign in. If you don't have an account, you don't have to worry about that. You still wanted to go for the option that says sign in, and directly inside here it might be asking you to generate an actual account or just to sign in directly inside there. In my case, since I already have an actual account, it will be telling me that if I wanted to use that element, and if you don't, let's say I no account, create one. Just like that, this will be sending us directly into the create your Microsoft account, enter your email address. So here what you wanted to do is to go for the option that says to enter your email in the format, let's say add. So if you already have an actual account from Gmail, whatever, just type it, for example. It says verify your email and resend the code. Now in this case, since we don't have an actual account, usually it will be sending us an email address. Basically what I'm actually doing here is to use exactly the same Gmail account in order to generate a new account. Now here what I wanted to do is to enter the month I was born, the country, region, my first and my last name. Then go for next. And usually it says let's prove that you're a human, so it says press and hold for the actual button to work. And just like that, your Microsoft account will be generated. At this point, usually what's going to happen is that Microsoft might be providing you a new email address in order to continue, or what you can do is to customize that element, right? So it will be appearing an actual privacy notice so far. So I just needed to wait a few minutes to see what's going to happen between my Microsoft account here. So just wait a few seconds, and if it still doesn't work, what you can do is to close this, let's say cancel, reload the page, head over for continue, and just like that will be, let's say, cancel, setting up the passkey. And if you wanted to, for example, let's say I go for continue, I enter my passcode, setting up the passkey already been done, and it says creating an actual passkey. Just like that, we are now having access directly from the Microsoft, as you can see. And here, my Microsoft account will be generated in no time. Now, if you want, of course, to create an actual new Microsoft account, if you don't have let's say a Gmail to make a Microsoft account, then what you needed to do is to generate your first live account. So let's say create a live account. So for this, what you gotta do is to go directly for live.account, and directly here into the live section, what you gotta do is to create your actual account. Really simple. Since I already have an actual Gmail account, I mean a live Microsoft account, the process actually is going to be really easily, and I have now access directly inside there. So basically that's how you can actually generate your new Microsoft account in no time. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you still want to generate a new account, let's say with a new Gmail account, so like this, for example, generate your profile and the user name. So there you go. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, don't forget once again that there are more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully we can all see you well next time. See you soon.